Brian Tracy was one of my mentors early on, and he said you can have a huge gorilla company with billions in assets, or you could have a photographer with a $30,000 ESPN video camera, but you could take a better picture with a disposable camera or with a one-person company if you do one thing, and that's focus. If you can't focus a $30,000 camera, you're not going to make big progress. And if you identify what's a growing industry, a gorilla might open a division to be in that industry, that hot thing, but they're never going to be known as the number one person to go to and top of mind because they already have a reputation as Microsoft. So the company that is Snowflake or 100% focused on the cloud, can compete against a gorilla because that's all they do. And they focus on just being the best at that one thing, which is a growing area with little competition that plays to your strengths with big future demand. And that's how you compete against gorillas with little resources.